Hello, beautiful people. Yeah, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're absolutely welcome. Okay, guys, so today, guys, I want to talk about dark inner tie. Okay, I want to talk about what you can use to lighten your tie. Okay, yeah, guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys two effective ingredients. Yeah, I said that all my ingredients, all my recipe I give in this channel is effective. They're all effective, guys. Okay, guys, so if you want to keep watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and leave a like, comment. Without further ado, without much talk, let's just get right into the video. So guys, to lighten your inner tie, you'll be needing potash. Here in Nigeria, we call it account. The local name is called account. You'll be needing potash and 2 lime. Okay, now potash is good for moisturizing. It moisturizes the skin and it helps in hydrating the skin too internally. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to cut the 2 lime. So guys, this treatment is so effective, it's super effective that if you have a very sensitive skin, it can peel your skin. I'm just going to be honest with you. If you know you have sensitive skin, don't bother using this. Okay guys, I'm just going to put all the lime in it. Now lime juice is considered as a natural bleaching agent due to its skin lightening properties. It can be used to lighten dark spot, dark inner thighs, dark elbow, dark underarm, etc. Okay, so after I'm done with this, I'm going to stir it. I'm going to mix it. I don't know why I keep using the word stir. I'm going to mix it. Okay, then I'm going to allow it to sit for a few minutes so that the bubbles will cool off and all that, and then I'm going to remove the seed from it. So guys, if you want to use this when you're having your bath, because this is going to be in your bathroom. Okay, this can last for 5 days, 3 to 5 days. Then you can mix another one, you can do another one. Okay, so this should be in your bathroom. Just get a sponge and use it to, while you're bathing, use it to scrub your inner thigh. Scrub it. Do this morning and night, and within 3 to 4 weeks you will see results. Okay guys, as you can see, the potash did not dissolve. Don't worry, it's going to dissolve the next day because you're not going to use it immediately. You're just going to cover it and use it the next day. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.